Question 28 is about the motion between parallel plates. So first of all, look at here. Okay, Vx larger than Vy, so the electric field points from higher potential to lower potential. So the electric field points to the right. Because the charge is positive, so it will follow the electric field and move to the plate Y. And then how much kinetic energy will it gain? So remember, kinetic energy gain equals potential energy dropped. So look at here between the two places as a whole. Okay, the potential energy difference is Vx minus V1. As the electric field is uniform between the parallel plates, okay, so the potential energy drop at the midway is just half of this one. So the potential difference between this midpoint and the plate Y will be half of Vx minus Vy. So we have the mole potential, and remember what's potential energy? Potential energy is a Q delta V. So the kinetic energy gain is Q delta V, so it should be this thing multiplied by Q. So the answer is D. Thank you.